Do you know that you can master data analysis in just 2 weeks? My name is Stella Justin. I'm the global educator. I am the co founder of Kedrus Academy. I'm a Microsoft certified Azure data scientist, Azure data engineer, data analyst, and Azure AI engineer. I've been privileged to train over 5,000 data professionals from across the globe. Of course, I am a Commonwealth scholar, a wife, and the mother of two. There are so many things you can expect from the 2 weeks intensive data analysis training. First of all, it's important for you to understand that the duration of this training is just 2 weeks. And we're going to have practical classes every day for 2 weeks, accumulating to a total of about 20 hours. You can join this class from anywhere in the world at all. You can complete both guided and unguided projects during the duration of this training. You're also going to get a certificate of completion. You're going to get class replays, which are going to be made available for you immediately after each class. You might be wondering, what are you going to learn? We're going to learn two basic data analysis tools that have stood the test of time. The first one is the Microsoft Excel. You're going to learn how to get data, clean data, model data, build pivot tables, use formulas, pivot charts to visualize data. You're also going to learn Microsoft Power BI, how to use Microsoft Power BI for getting data, modeling, visualization, and building compelling dashboards that tell interesting stories. You're going to complete projects that simulate real workplace challenges, especially with our virtual internships. And you're going to collect and analyze present data confidently by the end of this class. You might be wondering, what are you going to be able to achieve? By the end of this training, you'll be able to build a real project that you can showcase both in the healthcare sector, in the business sector, in oil and gas sector, and so many other sectors that you might be interested in. Now, you might be wondering, why does it even matter? Why is it important for me to learn this skill? About 30 to 45% of jobs in Nigeria require digital skills by 2030, which means that if you don't have a digital skill, especially data literacy, AI literacy, and digital literacy, you might not be able to survive beyond year 2030 at your workplace. 58% of Nigerian businesses say shortage of IT skills is a major threat to their business. And globally, we're going to experience up to 28% growth in the demand for data analysts by 2031. We have so many testimonials that we might not have the time enough to share with you. Hundreds and hundreds of testimonials, beautiful testimonials for our students that you would love to see, and we wouldn't mind sharing with you as raw as they are. Again, we believe that we are making so much impact at Kedrus Academy, and that's the reason why our students keep sharing their testimonials. We have limited seats. This class is only open for 50 people. With an investment of just 60,000 naira, you can secure your place. Click the link to register. Thank you.